guys, it's me, Rain, and today I have a pretty awesome video for you. Also, I have a great announcement. I now have a website, so I'm going to post the links over here for the website, my new Facebook page, Facebook fan page, my Twitter, and my other friends' channels, which I will post right here. So anyway, guys, that's really all the time I have. I'm right now working on videos, editing, I'm working on blankets, shirts, phones. I got a lot of stuff I need to do. Anyway, that really is all the time I have. So thank you for watching. Rain, I out. Expect more of me. Thank you. Anyway.